monkey swinging in the trees. N is for nest, where birds feel at ease. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for parrot talking with delight.